guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to be taking out my box braids and we're going to see if there's any damage, how much hair loss there is, and how long my hair has grown. Like, we can see that my hair has grown quite a lot from up there. I kept them in for 3 weeks. So yeah, I was going to keep them for a month, but I'm tired of them. So yeah, before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell so that you get notified whenever I post. Alright, so you guys see how long these are? So it's gonna take me forever to unbraid each and every one of them from the bottom. So I'm gonna cut them. And here I have a bag for the hair.
Yeah, I like that.
So I didn't ask for your opinion, girl. You wanna go in the video? Come.
Hi guys.
Oh, you think you're cute?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna cut here because I know my hair isn't that long.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Snip. Come on. There you go.
That looks so weird.
Alright. I'm gonna cut all of them this short so I can see how it looks. Alright guys, so I am back. This is where all my braids cut. It is a look. No, it actually is kind of cute. I just feel like I have foams coming out of my head. But it's okay. So now I'm gonna start undoing them. So let's see. It's gonna take a while to undo these things. Let's see. Let's see how long it takes to do one, then we'll multiply it by however many braids I have. I made sure that when I cut very far from where my hair ended because I did not want to cut my own hair off. This would be really cute if it was a braid out. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot my brush. Okay, I'll get it in a minute. I'll do this piece first. I'm also not going to be recording when I'm taking out the whole thing because I don't want my camera to die. I've had too many instances that my camera died in the middle of me recording, so. I see my hair. Oh my god, I haven't seen it in 3 weeks. Ha, there goes the weave. Okay, this is my hair. We're out here. Wow, I don't feel that it's shedding. Ooh, I have a lot of dandruff. I don't feel that it's shedding a lot though. This is really freaking pretty. If this was a weave like that would be really pretty. Okay, so I'm not gonna brush it out because I want to see how it looks. So, oh, you're back? I'm filming again. So I'm gonna do the next one. What?
That's what I think I cut myself.
Okay.
Right there.
How?
You know. Just hurts.
You gonna come back in the video?
Oh my gosh, your hair looks so curly.
Oh my god, because it does it on a regular basis?
No, because it's stringy.
So it's a braid out. That's what it's called. A braid out. Is your hair straight right now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say for them to see your nice curls, but your hair is straight.
But I do honestly have really nice curls. This bad boy needs a wash and stuff.
You need your own channel.
I do have my own channel.
But you haven't posted anything.
I know. That's because I'm charging my iPad.
Oh, you're gonna post today?
Yeah.
I mean, you're gonna videotape today?
Depending on how fast it charges.
Do me a favor. Get me the brush.
So, guys, this was all a weave. I was just about to ask you, do you think that was a weave? Look at that difference.
Wait, my hair grew, actually. Wait, where's my brush?
I don't know, but your hair looks really pretty. You should just leave it like that.
Oh, really?
No, literally.
Alright, I'm gonna go for my brush. You can talk.
Comment down below if you guys think that she should leave her hair like that instead of curling it, twisting it up. She never knows where her stuff is.
Right here.
Oh my gosh, it's such a pretty pink brush. It matches my slime. I don't know if you guys could pick. I don't know if you guys could see there, but this is actually like the same exact pink. And it got poofy.
Oh, I do have so much dandruff. Oh my god. That's so gross.
That's what happens when you leave too much
Leave it.
braids.
So gross.
I'd say braids.
Alright. So I'm gonna finish taking out the rest. And then I will I will continue recording once I'm done so you guys can see how it looks and I can see if there's any damage or like, yeah. And how much it grew, basically.
Comment down below if she should also wash her poof.
Obviously I'm gonna wash it. What? It's mad dirty. I'm gonna clarify it too because
What's a clarify?
like it like cleans it really good so I won't have no more dandruff or whatever the hell this is. Build up. I don't even know what this is right now. I think it's a mix of both. I really think my hair grew already. Okay, I look really weird.
She looked like a lion, which she was for Halloween.
I wasn't lying for Halloween. They know this. I have a get ready with me.
Yeah, go check out that video.
Oh, she's sponsoring me, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna be back when all this is done. Alright, guys. So, I don't know if I'm just slow or like, I don't know. But I've been here for like 10 to 15 minutes. And this is all I've got done. And I have all this left. And I'm literally gonna be here all night. Like, I don't understand. I might have my mom come and help me. I don't know. All I know is that I'm gonna be here all night taking out these braids. And I have to completely cleanse my hair. Because, like, this is literally disgusting and I hate it. Imagine if, I was gonna say imagine if my hair was just long and like show you guys, but like it fell out. Oops. So right now, I don't think I have any damage. I think my hair is perfectly fine. Like, it honestly grew. Like, keeping it a buck, it definitely grew. It may be the length it was before I cut it. And that's the tea. Imagine if I went outside like this. Nobody would be having nothing. Okay, back to I'll record when I'm about halfway. I think that'll make sense. Alright guys, so literally an hour later, I'm done. I literally took like legit an hour. I started at 10:13, it is 11:11. It literally like took an hour. So this is what we got working with. Oh my god, my head feels so light. And my hair grew. I miss this, you know? Okay, yeah, but obviously my hair grew. We can see that. Alright. Let me see how much hair we lost. How much hair was shed? I don't think it was that much, honestly. hold on, put it into a ball. We lost this much hair in 3 weeks, which isn't bad. This is what like some people lose in like 1 shower. This isn't bad. And this is all the hair that was in my head. It feels so good to get it out. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be filming myself in the shower, but that's gonna be for my next video. Oh my god, I have so much buildup. It is disgusting. But that's gonna be for my next video because I'm doing my winter wash day thing, winter routine or whatever. So yeah, this is my hair. There's no damage. It is my regular hair. It did grow. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like to turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I post. Alright? Right.